to the Cohen and Namaw show. And what are we making today?
Ice cream in a ball.
That's right. It's stainless steel inside. And the ball is actually called Softshell Ice Cream Ball by High Fives. And a friend of mine got this at a Goodwill store, but I'm sure you could get this on Amazon or maybe even Walmart. So first thing we're gonna do, yeah, maybe on eBay. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is pour this in there. So I need your help. We're gonna pour this in here, all of it. Yeah, and this is 1 quart of cream, heavy whipping cream. Okay, next thing is 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, Cohen, that goes in next. You pour it in the big bowl. Good job. And 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So throw that all in there.
Can we like mix it up a little bit?
Yeah.
Can I mix it?
Uh-huh. Let's get it all out of the bowl first. There we go. Okay, now I need you to mix it. So we're gonna go round and round until we see it all mixed. It's just a basic vanilla ice cream recipe. Okay, you think we got it all mixed?
I love vanilla ice cream.
I know you do. And we can make it and hopefully it'll turn out in this ball and we can put sprinkles on it. And if you want, chocolate syrup. So now we're gonna hold the ball. Can you help me hold that? Okay, real tight. That's gonna be your job. Okay, so we're gonna pour this in this side. Whoa. So we're supposed to leave at least 1 inch from the top, so it has room to expand. So we had quite a bit left, so we're gonna be able to make a second batch. So we're gonna put this in the fridge while we're mixing this one. So now we need to put the lid on. I think we just sit it on like that and maybe turn it. Let's see, oh, close this way. See the way the arrow goes? Okay.
That's easy.
Yeah, and then push that thing down. Got it down? Good job. Okay, now we're gonna put ice and salt into this side. So it says to open, we pull up on this. Okay, so now we need our rock salt. Okay, so pour this in there.
Yay, party time! Wow!
Sounded like rocks, didn't it? We put in a 1/2 cup of rock salt, and now we're putting ice in it. Let's see if this will fit. We have to see as much as we can get in there.
Look at this big giant one.
You think he'll fit in there?
No, there we go.
So now we're gonna turn it to close. Okay, now for 10 minutes we need to play ball with it. Okay, Cohen, let's go play ball.
Okay. Wow, look at this. I've been spinning around in circles and maybe it'll go faster.
You want Grandma to do it a while? You want to rest?
No, I'm fine. This is kind of fun. Yay! Keep on shaking, keep on shaking.
I'm moving, ice cream ball.
Come on, ice cream, mix up. Mix up, mix up.
Okay, so after the 10 minutes is up, you're supposed to bring it inside. After,
and clean the edges off and go back outside and mix it some more.
right, so we're mixing it some more, that's right.
And then we put some more salt and then some more ice in it. And then we can roll it some more.
That's right, we're supposed to roll it.
And then we can eat it.
That's right, no eating it yet.
But later.
We did clean it off first before we opened it. Did you see that, Cohen?
Yeah.
It's freezing really hard on the sides.
It's trying to ice cream.
No, look at that big chunk. Right
Baba,
there.
look at this cool ice cream we're making.
Now we're gonna add more salt and more ice to it. And 10 more minutes.
10 minutes. Tossing him around. Grandma, look. A pizza slice.
I know, awesome, okay.
It's like a big pizza slice.
I know, a big pizza slice in there.
That guy's funny.
That makes me hungry for pizza. We got it all filled up there. Okay, now.
Oh, Grandma, do you want a little baby one?
We'll save it for the next time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, put it in
Baba, do you
there.
want a little baby? There you go.
Okay, so
Little
to
baby.
close.
In the little water.
Go this
I know the water, the
ready to go toss.
Yeah!
Whoa!
Mama, I know why it's heavy. Kind of like rocks inside of it, and it's like super heavy.
Yeah.
That's why it's heavy.
Are you ready for this?
Yep. Yeah, beat me.
Nope, I didn't do it as far as you did. Say, I'm a winner. Oh man, I think you woke up every baby and every dog in the neighborhood. Okay, our timer just went off, so we gotta go wash our ball off and then open it up and see what the ice cream looks like. Whoa, Cohen,
Mommy.
look.
Look, Baba.
It looks just like an ice cream machine. Are you ready? Here we go.
It works.
It's so hard. I know, it actually worked.
Yeah.
Wow.
No,
Some of it's a little soupy, so we could have went out there longer, but that's okay.
Wait, don't do big poopy. Let's put some. I'm gonna put some sprinkles on mine right now. Ooh, sprinkles. Look at this. I'm gonna put some chocolate syrup on mine.
Okay.
Let's mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Put that on, and then put the chocolate syrup.
Okay.
Put it.
Oh, look, we made sundaes. Wow. Okay, ready? You have to taste
The
it.
ultimate view.
Ready? Same time. Mmm. It's so cold, isn't it? Did it make you shiver? It's really good, isn't it? So the only thing I would say is maybe do it just slightly longer because it's a little bit soft, right? But it tastes amazing, doesn't it? Yeah, it was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. And all of the recipe with the instructions are included. So thank you for watching. And please subscribe, like, and comment, and share. Bye.
Bye.
We have to eat now.